So let's see, this is the analysis of the last 6 years. If we see these are the major broad topics. Number one, the basic numeracy and maths. लास्ट ईयर में ट्रेंड देखेंगे क्या क्या आता है. बेसिक न्यूमरेसी मैथ्स में क्वांट आता है मेनली, नंबर सिस्टम आता है, रेशियो है, प्रोपोर्शन है, टाइम स्पीड डिस्टेंस है, वर्क एंड टाइम है. सो दिस इज द एवरेज वी कैन सी कि 60 to 70% ऑफ द पेपर every time is from the quant. So if you are having a strong hand in the quant, you can easily do that and don't afraid कि ऐसा हो जाएगा कि qualify नहीं होगा. Then if we come to the reading comprehension, then this ratio is also maintained, कभी 28, कभी 27, कभी 25, कभी 30. Almost it's like we can say that 30%, 32% of the paper is the reading comprehension. So this is the major division, जहाँ पे दो सब्जेक्ट से ही सबसे ज्यादा आ रहा है. Then if I come to the logical reasoning and the analytical reasoning, there is a sharp dip from 2021, जिसकी हम क्लासेस लेते हैं रीजनिंग की. 16 to it's moved to the 9. So 7 question decrease but increase into the other portion. Like in the data sufficiency, the number of question increases 7. That's decrease in the logical reasoning. Similarly, in the case we can say the average 10 to 12% of the paper is from the logical and the analytical reasoning. These are three major areas: the basic numeracy, the reading comprehension, logical and the analytical reasoning, from where the question has been asked by the UPSC. So in तीनों topics में what are the micro topics we need to read? That also we will see there. If we go to the visual reasoning, the figure question, which shape is better, कौन सा better fit हो रहा है, which is the mirror image of this figure, तो उस type का reasoning कभी कभार like if they love it they will ask it, otherwise they are not asking from the 3-4 years. Like there is a 0 question from the figuring questions. Then decision makings, never they ask the decision making, but this is mentioned in the syllabus. So you can skip this topic. Decision making is mentioned in the syllabus, but you can skip. अगर आएगा भी तो maximum 1-2 ही आ जाएगा. 80 questions आ रहे हैं तो you can skip the topic. Then the data sufficiency. Data sufficiency, they are asking the 4-5 question maximum, but this year they increase the 12 up to 12 questions. So overall देखें तो it should be like कि 4 ही टॉपिक है मेनली. लॉजिकल रीजनिंग, इंटरप्रिटेशन और सफिशिएंसी को मिला देता हूं मैं. डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन एंड द सफिशिएंसी प्लस लॉजिकल रीजनिंग, आरसी, रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन प्लस एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग. These are the mainly 4 topics in the CSET. There are many micro topics in these topics. So let's see about those topics. So this is a 2022 year analysis. 2022 में they are asking about almost 16 topics से questions हैं. So if we see the number system in the quant, it's a major chunk. Number system in the 8 questions. In number system there is a many subtopics like the remainder they are asking about it, and some of the percentage, some of the ratio from the number system they are asking about it. कि इस type के questions भी होते हैं कि आपको like a number दे दे 9860342 and if I divide it with the 9811, what will be the remainder? देखने में बहुत बड़ा लग रहा है. If you know the trick, you can easily solve this type of the questions there. Similarly, if I come to the algebra, many of the students having a fear with the algebra. But algebra, if you putting the option into the algebra questions, you will get some of the time you will get a 0. If you getting the 0, that's the answer. इस type के question बहुत सारे आते हैं. If you go through the options, then if you are putting the value of those option in the algebra statements, yes, then you can easily get the answer कि this which is the correct one there. Okay. Then profit, loss and discount, bargaining तो हर कोई करता है. शॉप पे जाओगे कितना % डिस्काउंट है सब पूछते हैं. मार्केट में जाओगे 40 वाला 30 में दे दो भैया, धनिया फ्री में दे दो, ये कर दो. तो दैट्स द डेली वेज टॉपिक कह सकते हैं कि प्रॉफिट, डिस्काउंट, लेवाइज पर डिस्काउंट है 50%, सीजन ऑफ सेल है. इफ द रेट ऑफ द जीन्स फॉर 1800 रुपी and if there is successive discount of 50%, 40%, 30%, what will be the final discount? This type of the question they are asking. So वो भी आपको एक basic idea होना चाहिए कि अगर if they are giving the discount of the 50%, flat 50%, दिखा हुआ लिखते हो flat 50% discount means they will give this in the 50 rupee. Another type of discount, successive discount, 10 plus, 30 plus, 40. This is the successive discount. In 100 they will get a 10% of discount, means 90 rupee. Then on 90 they will get a 20% discount, means 18 rupee, the 72 rupee. Then again on the 72 rupee they will get a 20% of discount, means 15 rupee. 15 minus 67, 57. So if you see the differences, if they are giving the flat 50%, you will get the thing in the 50 rupee. If they are giving a successive discount, 10%, 20%, 20%, they will give in the 57 rupee. Means on an average the 43% discount. So these are the gimmicks they are playing in the market. Buy 2, get 4. The MRP of the 2 will be the higher side, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. This type of thing they are playing. So these all type of the concepts comes under the profit, loss and discount. Then percentage, simple. If you are getting 30 marks in your GS paper out of 200, what is the percentage? This type of question, 15%. You are getting the 90 marks, the 45%. What is the cutoff range of the UPSC last 3 years? 45 to 46%. So this type of a simple percentage question they are asking about. Sometimes they are mixing the percentage with some of the other topics, like time, speed, distance के साथ mix कर दे रहे हैं, mixture allegation के साथ mix कर दे रहे हैं. So there the percentage roles come there. Then the blood relation, there is a photograph on the wall. This girl is the brother of the RK, and the RK relate to Miss like a friend. But this type of complex question they are saying about. So आपको उस केस में बताना है कि how you relate with this. If you know the simple concept of the blood relation, in this case you need to make a tree here. If you make a tree like a family tree, these are your parents and these are the siblings. So if there is any other condition given, draw a tree according to that. This is having a 2 children, 1 male and 1 female. This marry with some other ex-person, and it's also having a children, 2 and 2, we can say. So how this one relate with this one? If you make a tree there, it will be easily clear and you will mark the right answer. अगर आप माइंड में ही सोचते रहे वो उसका चाचा है, इसका मामा है, मामा की बेटी है, बेटी के साथ उसकी भाई की शादी हो गई, तो देन हु इज द सिबलिंग्स ऑफ दिस गर्ल. इस तरीके से देयर इज अ ह्यूज कंफ्यूजन इन द माइंड. If you make a tree here, then you will easily link each of the members with any of the member here. So you can directly get the answer of the blood relation question. And on an average, the blood relation question are asking about a 1 or 2 question in the each and every paper. In a 2022, there was a 2 question from the blood relation. Time, speed and distance. In the news, if you see कि प्रधानमंत्री गति शक्ति योजना, वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस, speeds आती हैं, they are covering the 600 kilometer in the 3-4 hours. So what is the speed of the train? What is the time taken by the train? But in between, the train के साथ एक्सीडेंट हो गया बुफेलो के साथ, so there is a delay of the 30 minutes. So what will the extra time the train taken will by the trains? So this kind of a question can also be asked. So these are simple फंडा. एक ही फॉर्मूला है, डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम. अब आधे लोगों को तो यही याद नहीं है कि स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस इनटू टाइम था, कि टाइम इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू डिस्टेंस है, या डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम था. तो वो भी एक थोड़ा सा प्रेशर का फंडा है. गेम लाइक बाहर आके पूछूंगा तो बता दोगे डिस्टेंस दूरी इज इक्वल टू समय इनटू चाल, अगर हिंदी में किसी को समझ आ रहा हो तो, एंड डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम. तो जितना डिस्टेंस में मेजर करूंगा, किस स्पीड से चल रहा हूँ, कितने टाइम में चल रहा हूँ, वही तो मेजर करेगा ना. तो ये सिंपल सा फंडा वहां पे भी लग सकता है. तो if you are confused with the like a distance is equal to speed into time. And then similar pattern with the time and the work. If we see the time and work question, 4 people working in a continuously in a field, then they are joined by the other 3 people. They are start working together for the 4 hours. Then the 2 left, they start working for the 5 hours. Then how many days they will complete the work? This type of question they are asking. So these are simple chain rule we can say. Like this kind of the formula we can use. 4 people working for the 5 hours and continuously for the 7 days. If they are the 7 people working for the 3 hours, in how many days they will cover the same work? So here the value of the question mark can be easily calculated. This can become C as 7 into 3 and the easily it can be calculated. So इस type के questions में क्या issue आते हैं? You need to identify. यार ये इतना simple लग रहा है देखने में, उस time पे क्यों नहीं हो पाता? The main reason I identify, I talk with the like 500-600 students. तो उस केस में मुझे तो सबसे बड़ा इशू लगा है कि if I give the same paper in here, you can easily like can take the 80 marks in this paper. But at the time, you are not able to recollect, you are not able to attempt the question due to the pressure or due to the other thinking. I don't know कि आप क्या सोचते हैं उस केस में. So you need to like strategize your preparation according to the marks. कि I need to attempt the 120 marks paper and I can easily score the 100 or the 80 marks in the, because the cutoff is the 67 here. तो इसमें तो cutoff का fluctuate भी नहीं है. The GS में तो I can say कि you are attempting the question the 70 questions and you are getting the 55 right and you are stopping at a cut of the 102. तो वहाँ पे तो डाउट है या 105 ही कट ऑफ जाएगा या 100 का कट ऑफ जाएगा, मैं अंदर रहूंगा या बाहर. तो यहाँ तो फिक्स ही कर दिया है, 67 से ऊपर ही लाना है. तो यहाँ पे तो वो कंफ्यूजन भी नहीं है कि कट ऑफ विल बी अप, गो अप एंड डाउन. तो दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग यू शुड बी इन द माइंड कि ऐसा हो रहा है. देन मिक्सचर एंड एलिगेशन कभी कभी पूछ लिया जाता है. इन योर होम sometime your mother say the milkman is giving the watery milk, there is a more volume of the water than the milk. So this kind of question from the there. If like like take how many of using the mother dairy milk? Okay, 3 category there: premium, full cream, toned and double toned also there. If you see the fat level here, 3%, 6% and the 9%. Agar if I mix all these milk, then what is the final percentage of fat in this milk? So this type of question they are asking. Milk की जगह लीकर आ जाएगा, लीकर की जगह पेट्रोलियम आ जाएगा. So this type of question they are asking about. So you should be clear. And most of you, why you are out? Because you are trying to implement the formula here. यार मिक्सचर एंड एलिगेशन का फॉर्मूला तो बताया था क्या था, तो यहाँ तो फॉर्मूला की जरूरत ही नहीं है. 1.5 लीटर मिल्क है, इतना परसेंटेज ऑफ SNF है, then what will be the major percentage? एवरेज ही तो निकालना है. Then why we are running behind the formula? या टाइम एंड स्पीड एंड डिस्टेंस का फॉर्मूला ये था. मिक्सचर एंड एलिगेशन का फॉर्मूला सर ने ये बताया था कि मिक्सचर एंड एलिगेशन है आएगा तो क्रॉस मेथड्स यू विल यूज एंड यू विल डिवाइड हियर. If there is a X quantity, we are mixing the 20% of quantity here. We are mixing a 10% of quantity here. This is a 30%. Then here it will be come the 30 minus 20, 10%, and 30 minus 20, 20%. तो आप वो चीजें क्यों सोचते हो जब इतना सिंपल है, आपको पता है कि ऐसे भी हो सकता है विदाउट फॉर्मूला. एंड व्हाई यू आर मेकिंग द क्वेश्चन कॉम्प्लेक्स देयर. So this is also a reason there. Then come to the probability. This time from the probability and the permutation and the combination, the maximum question has been asked, like a 7 question from the probability and the permutation and combination. And the last 3-4 questions are directly from the probability and the very simple question they are asking in the probability. Similarly, in a case of, we can say directions, from mother dairy, you are coming directly to the educami. So which direction you started there? And then you go out to the educami, you went to a tea stall, and then after tea stall, you went to the library. You sit for the 15 minutes, then another friend came, and you came out from the library there. And you stand for the 2 hours on the tea stall again, and then again to go to the library and stand the 15 minutes, then another friends came, and then you again comes to the flower shop for a rose day. Then you give the rose to your girlfriend, and then again go to the library. Then what is the final direction there? So, ये डायरेक्शन ही तो बताना है. तो सिंपल सा फंडा है, ईस्ट वेस्ट नॉर्थ साउथ, कहीं पे भी जा रहे हो उसी डायरेक्शन में लेके चलते रहो तो यू कैन डायरेक्ट फाइनली आ सकते हो. बाकी होगा तो इस डायरेक्शन में भी हो सकता है कि नॉर्थ वेस्ट, नॉर्थ ईस्ट, नॉर्थ साउथ. सो लॉजिक, वही लॉजिकल रीजनिंग के लिए फिर क्लास लेते हैं आप लोग. तो रीजनिंग ही तो है मेनली, क्या है, क्यों है. इफ मोस्ट ऑफ द टॉपिक यू विल सी देयर इज ओनली द addition, subtraction, multiplication and divide. Board mass, we can say the formula we are using in it, but they are making it simple. घुमा फिरा के पूछ ले रहे हैं, तो प्रैक्टिस के साथ तो हो do, it's like a doable paper. We cannot say it's not a doable, it's a doable paper. Then in the case of series के questions, like they will give you the any series like I can say 4, then they can give the 24, then they give here the 16, then again they give the 98. Then what will be the next? There is only the 4 option in the series: plus, minus, multiplication, divide. So I will show you the question of 2022, and then I will tell you कैसे उसको करना होता है. Similarly, if you see, these are the major topics from the UPSC paper. They are asking in the each and every paper. This is the 2022 analysis. If we see the 2021 analysis here, the same topics they are asked. Number system, same weightage. There are the 7 questions. Here the 9 questions. Algebra, 6 questions in 2022, 5 questions in 2021. Then average, the 4 questions in 2022, there are the 1 question. same from profit loss, same from percentage, same from ratio, same from TSD, same from time and work. Data interpretation in 2020 नहीं पूछा है, तो इस साल में उन्होंने पूछा है. Similarly, in the case of RC, there are 27 question again. In the case of row arrangement, same question they are asking about. So these are the favorite topics of the UPSC, जो हर बार ही आएंगे. And the question level almost same ही होता है. We can say the question level is like a average, we can say now it's not a easy, but it's the average type of the question they are asking about. Similarly, in the case of 2020, we will see the same topics are repeating there. Number system, weightage increase from 10 to 15, because the number system is a huge topic. There are multiple topics in the number system, so this is mostly included there. Again from the average, again from algebra, again from percentage, time, speed, distance, time and work, data interpretation, geometry. The same time of the topic, they are again repeating the same type of the topics. If you go through the PYQ, तो आपको ये आइडिया आना शुरू हो जाएगा, यार 10 टॉपिक हैं. If I do a topic in a day, basics, परसेंटेज को सोल्व कैसे करना है, I can do the level 1, level 2, level 3 questions there. And practicing the same topic for the 2 days. Do we think we will fail in this examination? So why? So there is a phobia कि यार CSET बहुत मुश्किल होता जा रहा है. आधा तो फोबिया टी स्टॉल्स पे बन जाता है. 6 लोग आते जो फेल हुए सीसेट में, या मेरा और सबसे बड़ा इशू ये है ना कि जीएस हुआ या ना हुआ हो, अगर क्लियर नहीं हो तो मेरा सीसेट में फेल हो गया मैं, तो वो भी है. लाइक यार मेरा जीएस तो बहुत अच्छा गया था, 110 आ रहे हैं, लेकिन सीसेट में यार मेरा 65 66 ही बन रहा है, पता नहीं पास होगा कि नहीं होगा. तो वो फोबिया जो क्रिएट ग्रुप डिस्कशन में हो गया है ना आप लोगों का, तो दैट कैन बी क्लियर फ्रॉम द पीवाईक्यू एनालिसिस. ये पीवाईक्यू में तो ऐसा कुछ हाई फाई नहीं पूछा है, ऐसा कोई थ्योरम नहीं पूछ लिया है या जिसकी वजह से मुझे डिस्क्वालीफाई हो रहा है, कि मुझे क्वालिफाई करने में इशू क्या हो रहा है. इफ आई सी द ब्लड रिलेशन, अगेन देयर इज वन क्वेश्चन. फ्रेम वर्ड फॉर्मेशन से अगेन वन क्वेश्चन. वर्ड फॉर्मेशन इतना आसान होता है, दे गिविंग यू दिल्ली, उसके बाद लिख दिया OMPNA, कोई नया वर्ड दे दिया, तो क्या उसके इक्विवेलेंट होगा? ABCD तो लिखना है बस, यहां से जेड से शुरू करना है, जो जिसके सामने आ रहा है वो उसका आंसर हो गया. तो वो थोड़ा सा एक मुझे लगता है कि एक स्ट्रेटजी आप लोगों को चाहिए, एक आप लोगों को बताने के लिए कि हाउ टू गो विद द पेपर फ्लो एंड हाउ टू सिलेक्ट अ क्वेश्चन. वी विल आल्सो लुक कि कैसे क्वेश्चन को सिलेक्ट करना, ठीक है. सो सिमिलरली इन द केस ऑफ 2019 वी कैन से analytical reasoning, they had this like in 21, 22 and 2020 the number of questions from the analytical reasoning was the 4 and 5. But in 2019, there's the highest question, the 14 questions from the analytical reasoning. Like number of people in the group sitting in the chair. This kind of question they're asking about. कि 6 लोग बैठे हैं, 6 लोग में से कौन किसके अपोजिट बैठा है, this type of questions. तो यहाँ पे भी सिलेक्शन का इशू आता है. There is a half page statement, 70.75% of the page is a statement. And उसके पीछे क्वेश्चन एक ही है. तो मैं क्यों अपना 15 मिनट इसको बनाने में लगाऊंगा? 4 बार ये गलत बनेगा, 5वीं बार में जाके सही बनेगा. Then I will go to the question. उसके बाद मुझे समझ आ रहा है ये भी नहीं हो रहा. And I spend the 15 minutes on a single questions. This is also become a issue here.